Regina is starting to pick up a little bit. Nice timing. It's almost overpowered. That's pretty shelf. Well, this is the first time I've had to storm chase beside a wall. This is really crazy. The winds are really quite incredible. But it's really weakened a lot. We're actually quite lucky. It's down everywhere in Regina. The power is out on this side of the street. Kinda looks like something went through here. Well, this tree gets my vote for the biggest tree down so far. Busy street for trees. As soon as I got back last night, it was so big I couldn't actually lift it and pull it off, so I had to chop it up a bit to get it to the side. Well, if you got the tools, you might as well use it. In this case, I don't think I have a choice. These came in handy in the first place, but they're not going to do anything to this big sucker right here. First one. That was easy. And that is what is left of the tree. But there's still some that's got to come down off the top here. But I'm going to leave that for the city.